The zoysia grass in my yard has crept into my flower bed and overtaken the beautiful mondo grass. Now what? Is there a way to kill the zoysia that is growing in mondo grass without destroying the mondo grass? I like this. P.S. Help! My wife planted the mondo grass. And this is Oscar in Tune, Tennessee. So we're gonna have to help Oscar out because his wife planted that mondo grass. So we gotta make sure that's gonna live.
I understand.
Right. So what are the options?
Well, you know, there's not a whole lot of chemical options you can do. So digging it up would probably, mechanically digging would probably be the best thing. But zoysia doesn't creep that fast. So, you know, once you do get it out, put some kind of barrier down and just keep checking it, because you can keep zoysia out of the beds by just either mechanically, easily, every, you know, maybe 2 or 3 times in the whole season. Yeah. It doesn't, zoysia does not grow that fast.
Yeah, like
you
Bermuda.
Yeah, it doesn't grow that fast that you can physically take care of it to keep it out of the mondo. But once it's in the mondo, the best is just dig it all up.
Just dig it all up.
And then replant the mondo back and remove the zoysia grass.
Right. Chemical options are limited.
Very, very limited. Because everything that I can think of will actually hurt the mondo grass, and you don't want to do that.
Yeah, that's going to be tough. Even, you know, before, you know, you and I talked about the wipe technique, so you wouldn't even try that with glyphosate?
Well,
maybe?
you could. I mean, it depends on how thick the mondo grass is.
Yeah. Okay.
If the mondo grass has just been recently planted and it's got big clumps and there's spaces in between that have the zoysia, you could do the wipe technique and just sponge on or wipe the zoysia grass in between, and it would kill it.
Right.
But it depends on if it's all through it and it's all. I would dig up. Dig it up.
Okay. Wow, Oscar. You have some work to do.
Sorry
about that. Yeah, because the chemical options are limited, even with the wipe technique.
Yes.
You know, so it's going to be limited. So we definitely don't want you to destroy your wife's mondo grass. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.